start our lecture. On the difference between the prokaryotes and the eukaryotes. Okay. This is a diagram for the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. The differences. What is the differences? I will explain to you. First, we will discuss about this slide. That is a difference between the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. There are various differences between the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. In this diagram, they explain first of all prokaryotic chromosome and eukaryotic chromosome, and this is in relation with this diagram is relation with this slide also. Actually 26 number of slide is there, and then there is a difference in the characteristics. First we will discuss on the characteristics, then chromosome, and that is a diagram with regarding to the prokaryotic and the eukaryotic chromosome is there. Okay, what are the differences between then prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell is there. In the yesterday lecture, while teaching to all of you about prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell, I explained to all of you that the eukaryotic cell is ranges from the smaller size to that is a micro size to the larger, to the elephant, giraffe like organisms they can form, or they are under to the eukaryotic cell is there, or banyan tree like, or larger trees like a neem, all are coming under the eukaryotic cell. The first point into it, the difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell is the size of the cell is there. Okay. What is the size of the prokaryotic cell? It is from 0.2 to 2 micrometer in the diameter, micrometer into the diameter, and when in the eukaryotics it's from the 10 to the 100 micrometer into diameter is there, or it is a that much increase in size. And so the various range is present into the eukaryotic cell rather than the prokaryotic cell with regarding to their size. Okay, with regarding to size only, and variations where we will discuss later on. Examples of the prokaryotes in last lecture also I will explain it: bacteria and the archaeas. The very important, bacteria means what? Eubacteria means the true bacteria which shows the properties of the prokaryotic cell is that nucleus is present. But which type of nucleus is present in them? It is a primitive type of nucleus. In the archaeas also there is a presence of primitive nucleus also, but they are extremely present in the extremely in a habitat, in extreme environment where they राहतात archaeas, and they shows the habitat in that extreme environment is there, and so called as the archaea, and they have some different characteristics from these eubacteria. But though it is under we contain into the prokaryotic cell, as their nucleus also lacks the nuclear membrane, or they lacks the defined nucleus is there, that is the bacteria and the archaebacteria. And example of the eukaryotic cell: plant, animals, from the group or the kingdom protista, or animalia, fungi, all are coming under the eukaryotes. But for our easy understanding, they only mention about the animals and the plants is there, but all are coming under, that is fungi, algae, all are coming under the eukaryotic cell. Okay, then nucleus in the prokaryote, nucleus is absent. In the eukaryote, nucleus is present. प्रोकॅरियोट्स मध्ये absent आहे आणि eukaryotic मध्ये present आहे. Membrane enclosed organelles are absent into the prokaryotic cell. In last lecture we discussed about the organelles of the eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotes all these organelles are absent. The organelles are present, but they are really attached to the cell membrane, or cell membrane is going to extended in that condition, and which perform the all the functions of the respiratory chain. That means about the mitochondria, then lysosomes is there, or inclusion bodies are there, all are deposited onto the cell membrane, and so cell membrane plays the vital role into the prokaryotic cell. Okay, Then which organelles are found into the eukaryotic cell which are membrane bound? In last lecture we discussed. Please tell me one example. Yes, everyone. Yes, Gayatri. Which are the examples of the cell organelles? Tell me one by one. Only without their function. Which organelles are found in eukaryotes? Which organelle? Very good. Ribosomes.
Ribosome,
Yes.
lysosome, Golgi apparatus, rough
Very good.
endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, centriole.
Very good, Praful. Tirumala. Any organelle?
Lysosome, vacuole,
Yes.
centriole,
Okay.
nucleus, Golgi
Okay.
apparatus, mitochondria, and endoplasmic reticulum.
Okay. Very correct. Very correct. All these are organelles are present into the eukaryotic cell, and while all are absent into the prokaryotes. Okay, everyone. Gayatri, Gayatri, where are you, beta? You don't understand this? Okay.
मैम समझा है थोड़ा.
हाँ, ठीक है. ओके. ध्यान दो, यहाँ पे ही ध्यान देना है.
Yes मैम,
इधर
yes
उधर
मैम.
मत ध्यान दो, इधर उधर मत ध्यान दो. Okay. The flagella. Flagella consists of the in the prokaryotes consist of two proteins two protein building blocks. Consist of two protein building blocks. That means the flagellin is there, and only one flagellin is there, and then SMP ring which is present into the basal body is there. This type of these proteins are found into the prokaryotes, but into the eukaryote. In last lecture also, I will explain that all of you that eukaryotic flagella is made up of the microtubule into the cytoskeleton. It is a part of the cytoskeleton, and from that microtubules, the eukaryotic flagella is made up of. That microtubules are made up of protofilaments, and it is a larger into the cytoskeleton is there. In detail, we are going to discuss in the next chapter, because next chapter of all of you of the cell biology is about eukaryotic cell organelle only. We have to study one organelle one by one, and there is a one topic for each organelle is there. Okay. Then cell wall. Generally in the prokaryotic cell, the chemically complex nature of the cell wall is found into the prokaryotics, because they should require the protection from the external environment, and because of that condition it is a chemically complex, and it is made up of generally peptidoglycan, lipopolysaccharides, and the lipoproteins, etc. Some found in the gram positive organism, and some is more in amount into the gram negative organisms. Okay. Then cell wall of the eukaryotes is made up, or it is only present into the plant one, and it is, and fungi, and it is totally absent into the animal cells. Okay. Remember in mind that plant cell wall कशापासून बनलेली असते? सेल्युलोजने बनलेली असते, and the fungi ची जी cell wall आहे, it is made up of chitin material बनलेली असते. That is the cell wall of the fungi are there. Okay. Then plasma membrane with the steroids. Usually there is no presence of steroid into the prokaryotes. Generally सांगितलं त्यांनी, पण usually सांगितलेलं complete absence कधीच नसतो into the biology, because there are exception for every case. There are exception for every case into the biology. Remember in my time. Okay, the plasma membrane with steroids are absent into the prokaryotes, whereas it is present into the eukaryotes, whereas they are present into the eukaryotic cell. What is in the steroid? What is in by the steroid? Yes, everybody. It is a complex lipid molecule with their काय म्हणता त्याला जे काही अल्टरनेटिव्ह पॅटर्न जे आहे त्याच्याकडे, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ hexagonal organic compounds, and because of that thing it becomes a what volatile म्हणता येईल स्टेरॉइडला, किंवा अजून काय म्हणता येईल त्याला, इट इज मोर tough as compared to the any other molecule is there. And steroid basically are in the form of the hormones present into the animals is there. The steroid hormone म्हणतो बघा आपण. Okay, लक्षात येईल सगळ्यांना. And so it is only found in the plasma membrane with the steroids are only found into the eukaryotic cell. And then the cytoplasm is there. There is no cytoskeleton or cytoplasmic streaming into the prokaryotic cell, but into the eukaryotic cell there is a presence of cytoskeleton. Cytoplasmic streaming is present into the eukaryotic cell, whereas it is absent into the, there is no cytoskeleton, no cytoplasmic streaming is there. Okay, then next one is the ribosomes. Ribosomes are smaller into the prokaryotic cell and into the bracket. All of you should write it down. Smaller the but it is made up of 70 S type of units. 70 S type of units are found into the ribosome, which are present into the prokaryotes. And to the eukaryote, it is a somewhat larger, and the size of it is a 80 S. 80 S ribosome type of ribosomes are found into the eukaryotic cell. And then cytoplasm of the prokaryotic is no skeleton or cytoplasmic streaming is there, and eukaryotic only in the plant cells and the fungi. The cell wall only found into the fungi and okay, I'm so sorry. Cytoskeleton point to the no cytoskeleton is present into the eukaryote. Cytoskeleton is present. Okay, ribosomes are smaller in eukaryote. It is larger. Cell division is binary fission in prokaryotes, and in eukaryote it is a mitosis one. From one cell there is a formation of two cells. That is called as the cell division. Basically, in the prokaryote it is a binary one. Binary means the two. Bi means two. Two. The cells is divided into the two cells into the prokaryotic cell, so called as the binary fission is there, whereas it is into the eukaryote it is a mitosis one. Okay, actually mitosis is what? It is a series of changes taken place into the growing cells is there, and in which all the phases of the life cycle is found into the mitosis. That is the interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and lastly the cytokinesis. Lastly the cytokinesis is there. And then number of chromosome which is found into the prokaryote, it is one, but not true chromosome. The number of chromosome is one, but it is not a true chromosome. Why it is not a true chromosome? Why it is not a true chromosome? Because the DNA, all of you know that DNA is a double-stranded one, but in the prokaryote, it is a circular in nature, basically. And so it is not a way, it is a one chromosome is there, which is a circular one, and which have, instead of histone proteins with them, they have some other protein, it is found into the prokaryote. There is no histone proteins present into the prokaryote. For the binding of that chromosome to protect from the other external environment is there. Other protein is present into the prokaryotics apart from the histone is there. And eukaryotics, where how much number of the chromosomes are found? More than one type of chromosomes is found into the eukaryotes. Into the human, how many chromosomes are there? 46 chromosomes are there, and in which at the time of the gamete formation it will go and form 23 type of the gametes, whether it is a female gamete or the male gamete is there. Okay, and then lastly the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, it is into the prokaryotes, no meiosis takes place, and transfer of DNA fragments only in the form of the conjugation. Okay. What happened actually? Sexual reproduction is what into which there is a need of two parents, male and the female parent is there, and then there is a fertilization of male and the female gamete, and then there is a formation of the zygote is there, and this is a new into the eukaryotic cell. But into the prokaryotic cell there is no such kind of the meiosis is there. They are divided by the binary fission. Everybody knows this. In the
Ma'am,
binary fission.
voice nahi aate.
Yes, what happens?
Voice is not coming, ma'am.